Hello, this is Brett from SurvivalComms, and today we're going to attempt the repair of an AcuRite weather station. The problem is our rainfall sensor is not working correctly, and I've already tried to clear out the basket and reset it and change the batteries, etc., and nothing has been curative thus far. Now we have our sensor array removed from our support structure, the power secured from the unit, and it appears we have 3 screws here that we need to remove to gain access to the insides of this. And if this thing's got a warranty, I'm absolutely positive that this will violate your warranty. There is an additional Phillips screw that's underneath the mounting post that goes in there towards the front of the device. So go ahead and remove that screw as well. Now let's see what's inside. Set a anerometer, solar panel over here, and now we can look and see what we're working with here. We have a plastic cover that comes off that protects the electronics, and then you can see our rain gauge here, and we've got a little cobweb action down here and an insect carcass in there which we're going to remove. And this right here seems to be moving fine back and forth, so perhaps this magnet that's going along this strip right here, which seems to be what the rain sensor itself consists of, perhaps there's something inside of there that's inhibiting the detection of that, like perhaps another insect crawled up inside there, which we're going to go ahead and check on that in a second here. Go ahead and remove that sensor. It's just a small Phillips screw, and we'll go ahead and remove that and get something to pick it off of here. Set it aside, and then we can go ahead and remove this sensor. And it doesn't look like there's anything down in there. And it slides right out like that, and you can see that our small magnetic switch is enclosed there. And that gives us access to clean out this insect carcass and all that other... Whoa, there's a bug right in there. I don't know what kind of spider that is. I'm not taking any chances right now, so it's going to die. There's the former occupant of my weather station. Placing our test lead on one contact here, we can see we're sitting at 5.44 kiloohms of resistance. Now when we bring our magnet close, you can see that our resistance drops, returns, drops, and returns. So that means that our magnetic switch is fine. So if there's a problem electronically, it's going to be somewhere else in this circuit here. Now that we've got our switch reinstalled, we'll go ahead and do the same test again. And we'll come down here. And you can see as we move it, drops our resistance. And as it changes these states, it's counting how many times these spoons fill. Heard it move several times. Let's go inside and see just how much precipitation that would have been. Well, we do have some indication on our rain gauge. We'll compare it to another rain gauge and make sure that the adjustments are correct in it, and it's all back in service. I hope this helps. This is Brett from SurvivalComms. Till next time.